Hi guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you stopped by. Today's video is a blinged out Goodwill frame. I found this frame originally at the Goodwill for $2.99, and now that I have painted it and blinged it out, it's going to go perfectly in my house. So if you want to see how I did this, stay tuned. It's coming up next. I found this frame, oh gosh, over a year ago, probably closer to 2, at Goodwill. And it's solid oak, which means it's going to paint nicely. What I'm planning on doing is giving it a really good coat of white and maybe silver. We'll see once we take it apart, but it's a little too country for me, so I'm going to get busy changing it up. Okay, I decided to do this in black, and even if I decide to put something on top, the black will show through. But the first coat is just regular black acrylic paint. And then I'm going to give it a coat of sequin black metallic. Okay, that's pretty dry, and I don't know if you can tell how shiny that is, but yeah, it looks like a high gloss. Now to do something with the frame. It's nice and shiny black, and I want to bling it up, and I thought about going with the Old Faithful. These are the rhinestones stickers that I get at Walmart, and I could do that, and it's really gonna show up nicely. But then I remembered that I had gotten these, and I had found these at the Dollar Tree, and I like the way black and white looks. I mean, it's by far one of my absolute favorites, and it's got the bling. So I think a little bit of hot glue, I'm going to add the stickers along the raised part of the frame. And I'm not real sure if I'm going to put anything on either side of it or not. We'll have to see how it looks after I get this on. Well, because this is not flat, I'm able to push this down around it, which really gives it dimension. And I really like the way this looks. So I'm going to finish putting this all the way around. And like I said, I'm not sure if I'm going to put anything up in here or not. I don't honestly think it's going to need it. But we will see once I get it trimmed with this. Oh, I like the way this is turning out. I mean, that those pearls on that black is just what it needs. Okay, this is entirely too beige for for my house. This does have punch outs, and it is white. But you know me, I can't just leave white. So I don't know which ones I'm going to punch out yet. But I am going to do something with this. Okay, I thought about painting this, and I thought about making new. But this is just about 16 inches. And trying to find paper that's big enough. I found 12 by 12 without any problem. And for some reason I just cannot find the rolls of adhesive paper anymore. I mean, they've got stuff for the Cricut, but I need a piece that's tiny. And I'm not going to spend $20 on a thing of paper that I'll probably never use again. So, I have, it's called Easy Liner, removable adhesive solids, and it's duck. And I'm just going to cover this with the adhesive, and then I'll cut out the openings to put the pictures in. And I could have used this side, but I've had this for so long, and gosh only knows how old this is. I mean, I got it from Goodwill, so chances are somebody had it for years. And as you may be able to see, it has yellowed. I mean, it's definitely aged. So I'm just going to cover this with the white contact paper and cut out the openings. And for that, I'll be using an X-Acto knife. Okay, I'm using the X-Acto knife to get this out, and I thought that I would show what I usually use. This is a cutting board that I got at the Dollar Tree. They have them in the square and they have them in round, and they are perfect. And they work so well for using an X-Acto knife. Well, I got it on, and I put it on the back side. Just because I didn't want to take the chance of this showing through. So what I'm going to do now is cut out the pictures to fit in the openings and get this in the frame. Well, I've got the pictures in the frame, and I'm afraid it's too plain. It's driving me crazy. So what I did was I cut some bling in a triangle shape, and I'm going to put them in the four corners, and it's not going to be too much, I don't think, but it's it won't look as plain. So I'm just going to use a little hot glue, and you can see that I did 5 square and then cut it in a triangle shape, and I'm using the hot glue to put that in there, and then it should be done. Okay, I put the bling in the corner, and I really like the way that looks. Now it's not so plain, but it's not over the top. So I can't wait to hang this on the wall and definitely enjoy it. So if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and happy creating, everyone.